football player Des Duran is hoping he too will find a coach, even if it means leaving his current one behind.
In high school, I set the state record in Louisiana for most touchdowns thrown in a single season. I threw 58. But singing is what I love to do. It's what I want to do for the rest of my life. That's my passion.
How you doing, Des?
Yeah.
Good to see you. You were at Yale?
Yeah, on the football team. And just took a semester off to come try and do this thing.
You gave up Yale and football.
Yeah. And,
What'd they say?
All they know is that I moved to California to go do music, so I don't even know I'm doing this right now, but...
They know now.
Yeah, they know now.
Your dad's not here now, right?
He's not.
But he was a football player.
He was.
And also had a music career of his own, right?
He did. My dad is a big influence on my life to play football and to sing. He's been a hero of mine since I was really young, so I guess I'm walking in my dad's footsteps, and that's pretty cool. Today is huge. So obviously I'm feeling some nerves. To leave the team was something really hard for me.
Good luck.
Hopefully I don't regret it.
You are my fire, my one desire. Believe when I say that I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake.
Sounds good. Come on, Christina, turn.
Come on, baby. I never wanna hear you say that I want it that way. Now I can see that I'm falling apart from the way that it used to be. Yeah. No matter the distance, I want you to know deep down inside of me. Don't wanna hear you say. I never wanna hear you say.
Come on, turn your speaker.
Want it that way, 'cause I want it that way.
That's a good-looking guy, too. Even I know that's a good-looking guy, Christina. That's a good-looking guy.
How are you, sir? Where you from?
Shreveport, Louisiana.
Okay. Southern boy like me and Blake. I think you did a great job. And I even though I didn't pick you myself, I was encouraging Adam to pick you. I said, Adam, that's your man.
I was, too.
That's your man.
I don't like this, like I tried to make you do it. You didn't do it either, man. I think for me, it was maybe stylistically we wouldn't jam so well together. It just maybe seemed like wasn't a perfect fit.
No.
I disagree.
Chris, they disagree.
You didn't hit your button. It's your fault. It's your fault.
Why are you blaming me? You guys are blaming me, none of you.
We all like hate each other for not pressing our buttons. It's, you know, I have to take the cake for feeling the most guilt because, I mean, how adorable are you? But you already know that. I can
Thank
feel
you.
it. Honestly, I heard some of your runs in there, and I got this close to pressing my button at a certain point, and for whatever reason, I don't know, I think I got nervous. Can we go back around? Can we start over?
Thank you for the opportunity, and thank you for all y'all's kind words. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Golly, man. Des was great, and you know, he's a handsome dude, and that's cool, but we haven't heard a bad singer today. So it's hard. It's like, what makes one person better at whatever moment, you know?
I'm so angry right now.
Coaches are y'all.
No, I'm so angry right now.